Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to enable check-ins on your Facebook page. So first, just open your Facebook application and make sure that you have switched your account to your Facebook page account, okay? And click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and then click on your profile page, okay? So in order to enable check-ins, you just have to click on about, okay? And then from there, you'll just have to click on see your about information. Okay, so that's right. So right after that, you'll just have to click on the edit for the contact information of yours. Okay, now you'll just have to so let's just erase this one so you'll be able to see what's behind this. You just have to fill out the address for street, for example, per couple, or the next, and also the city for step number two. So, for example, Pagadian City, and of course the postcode or ZIP code. Okay, and then it's optional if you want to add neighborhoods. So right after that, you just have to click on save. Then you'll be able to, and then the people will be able to check in on your Facebook page. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.